Hey guys, it's me, Strictly9to5 here, and today we'll be using NovelAI's art engine to generate some AI images of Raiden Shogun from Genshin Impact. Now this is just the first video that I'll be making in a series of videos which I'll teach you specifically on certain characters that you're interested in. I'll also be teaching you how to make your own original character for those of you who are interested in perhaps generating your own manga or anime characters. And of course, don't worry about prompts. I'll leave all of these prompts that you will see in this video in the video's description below. Now let's jump right into the video. So let's first start off with a very simple prompt for Raiden Shogun. Now this is not the final image yet. We already have a pretty nice one here with a very descriptive background. And right now, as you can see some settings I have here, I'm going to be switching this to curated just a little bit. Full is generally used for something else, which I will explain maybe towards the end, and I can make an entire video on it on another day. But let's stick to curated, and some settings that we have is we are going to stick to low quality plus bad anatomy that we do not want. If you guys don't know why I'm actually generating images for Zero Endless, I'll link a video card above that you guys can check out on how to generate it for free as well. Let's add in some prompts. And what I like to do for Raiden Shogun, and here's a tip for all of you, is you actually want to specify purple eyes and purple hair. Generally speaking, a lot of engines do it already really well because they take Raiden Shogun from a lot of places, but I just like to specify so it helps reduce wastage as well. And what I like to do also is to put in braided hair, because it gives her that single braid most of the times. Unless of course you guys are opting for a hair down kind of style for Raiden Shogun. So as you can see, we're getting pretty good images so far. AI is really bad at generating hands. What I like to do is actually add in a prompt that says hands behind back. I think this is a really nice prompt that gets rid of the whole AI problem entirely for drawing hands. So now that we have designed like some Raiden Shogun images, I'm going to show you an additional tip that you can do to make your images a little bit more consistent. What you can do, let's say you like this design of Raiden Shogun quite a lot based on this photo that we see here. You can actually press variations and spend a little bit of endless to get multiple copies of the same image. Now let me just go ahead and spend some endless for you to see. So as you can see, once we generate variations, we actually get 4 different images of a rather similar style of the original image that we see over here. And this is actually the proper workflow of how you want to do. You actually want to generate your images for free, go through all the wastages, and then once you find something that you really like, you actually click on it and generate variations until you get a perfect or at least close to the image that you really want. And for there on, you can actually take that image and move on to perhaps other editing softwares like maybe Lightroom, Photoshop. Here we just have a Raiden Shogun with Japanese shrine theme. We are going to be doing more in depth, and let me know what you guys want to see. You can just leave some comments and I'll definitely be looking into those and teaching you exactly how I generate these images as well. Now leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.